In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Afterpay for flights. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. I recommend doing this process on a computer through a web browser, but you can absolutely do this on your phone either through the same web browser or just the app. Regardless of which option you choose, what you have to do is first look up the service where you want to use Afterpay. As long as the flight service you want to use supports Afterpay, you will be able to use it by looking up the brand name over here at the Afterpay website or app. So for example, let's say I want to use Expedia and I know it's on Afterpay. I can just look for Expedia and see it listed over here. If you are unsure if the brand you want to use is on here, you can just look for flight and maybe take a look down the options you have, for example, alternative airlines. Regardless, once you find the service that you want to use to book a flight inside Afterpay, click its icon after you look it up through the search bar, and you will be redirected to the website on this Afterpay icon. It's very important that you select a website from the Afterpay website or the app to be properly redirected. On the website that you are redirected to, you can just look for the exact flight that you want, select it, and go through with this setup to buy or book the flight. Afterwards, once you go to the checkout option, you will have the option under the payment details to pay using Afterpay. As long as you selected the website that you want to book a flight in through the Afterpay website or app, it will give you this option. It will be automatically selected. If for some reason Afterpay is not selected, you could just change it from credit card or click to pay to Afterpay and go through with the checkout as usual. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Afterpay for flights. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.